Hey guys, it's Greg from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're going to talk about the AA Ignition interior door handle kit that fits a variety of Mercedes Benz vehicles, including the W204, X204, C230, C250, C300, C350, GLK 300, 350, and the C63. Now this door handle kit is going to fit the driver's side vehicle. So that could be the front driver's side door or the rear driver's side door as well. Now this kit is a complete kit. It's going to include the actual door handle itself. It's going to include a new pivot pin for the door handle. And it's going to include new hardware, screws and washers to re-secure the door handle assembly to the door panel. The installation is pretty straightforward. You do need to take the door panel off to complete the installation. But if you do reach out to us and send us a message, we have complete install instructions available to assist you performing the installation. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to us directly and we'll be glad to help.